Hello, this is Manesh Patel from E-Mini Trade. Today is August 10th, 2017. Today we're going through another trade review. Today we're going to talk about actually two E-mini SP 500 future trades that has happened in a very short amount of time. We've been waiting for a couple of weeks for some really good opportunities. We finally got some really good high probability setups. So let me begin by going through things. So before we begin, let's go for a normal disclaimer to state this is for education use only. We're not soliciting you to buy or sell any particular instruments. If you do so, you're doing that at your own risk. All information is owned by EII Capital Group, cannot be copied or distributed without our permission. We are broker neutral, so we support all the various charting platforms out there, from TradeStation, eSignal, Thinkorswim, and also NinjaTrader 2. In fact, today's charts will be off NinjaTrader, where we're releasing the IMTF indicator for that platform today. Here is our contact details. So if you have any questions, you could email us at info@eiicapital.com for any questions you may have. So let's begin. Let's go straight to the setups. So here is the new IMTF indicator for the NinjaTrader platform. As you can see, we have an E-mini, then we have it on the 240 minute. The reason why we have the 240 minute is basically the bridge between the swing traders and the long-term traders, and you have the highest probability scenario to trade. Now, if you remember the stuff on the IMTF indicator, green shaded area basically means it's a buying opportunity. So that's when you can sit there and put buy orders there. Red means a selling opportunity. So let's zoom in here. This is where we blogged on social media about here, where price was basically be maintaining these crosses here. Those crosses represent where all the swing traders and long-term traders are thinking the same way, having the same support. So what we're looking for is these crosses here in a shaded area, which is what we got here. So this is basically our buying opportunity, which was pretty much at this price right about here. Okay, so a little about right there, which is the lowest of the squares, which is pretty much right there. So you're looking at about 24.6875. Once you have your buy order set, and you pretty much could see that we hit it and we entered it, the green dots are your trailing stops there. So we have our green dots, which is right about here. Okay, just a little lower right there. So that's basically where your trailing stop would be. And then of course we're always looking for 3-to-1 money management scenario. So we're looking for basically at least on a pullback trade for this thing to retest the high, which is about right there. So you could see our buy entry was here, our initial stop was here, and our preserve mode here, which could also be a target, or you could take 50% off or you 75% off your positions there. You can see this trade triggered here, and then basically we got to our target, which was right here, and we took it as off the positions completely. Reason why, that was pretty much at the all-time high there. So we wanted to see what happened with price action. It was a good thing too, because if you could see, it went up and then went down. So we basically took our 3-to-1 reward risk ratio right there. Okay, then great thing was is that after the spike here, this fake price action, you had a little shakeout here, it went down, and then we got a red shaded area. This basically means another opportunity set up for us, which was bearish this time. And luckily we also got some crosses here, which was acting as resistance for a swing and long term. So again, we set up another trade this time to go short. We basically entered here, right there at those crosses, which is major resistance. Our stop was right there, and our goal was basically to sit there and get to this pivot low, which we got there. And here in this opportunity here, since we're not at all-time high or anything, you could actually go into preserve mode, which is where you take 50 to 75% of your positions off, and also at that point you could tighten up your stop. So instead of using the green dots, you could start using a tighter stop and so forth. So in this position here, you basically make sure your stop is below this level here, so as you allow this market to keep on going down, and you're still going to sit there and be guaranteed to make money because your entry, your stop is basically below your entry, so you've locked in the 3-to-1 reward risk ratio and so forth. So the rest of your positions now, you're basically have got a 3-to-1 reward risk ratio, and you're waiting to see how far this market's going to go down to keep on going forward from there. That basically concludes our trade setup, and that shows you two great E-mini trades for Ninja. And that pretty much is complete there. I also provided a link today, so if you're interested in learning more about the IMTF indicator, especially for NinjaTrader, just go to this link here. We got a live workshop today on the introduction of the IMTF indicator. It is a free workshop, and we're going to be going for everything about the IMTF indicator on there, and we're going to be releasing that there too. So you guys are more than welcome to join us there, and I'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.